Ibig sabihin, may experience na kayo as virtual assistant, but gusto niyo mag-refresh, gusto niyo rin mag-shift.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright, so experiences. So, having knowledge or skill in a particular field, so especially professional job, so gained over a period of time. Meron dito, zero experience. Meron naman dito, with experience, so they have experience as a VA, but they also have an experience locally dito sa atin sa Philippines. So, it's different. Okay, so meron talaga na, yan nga, so freelancer na sila before, pero iba naman. It's different. So, when we say freelancer, hindi naman always the virtual assistant. So, when we say freelancer, meaning you're not employed. So, you're not getting any payrolls or anything. So, nag-freelance ka, you're doing a lot on your own. You're giving services na ikaw lang. 'Di ba? So, pwedeng nasa party events ka, alam mo 'yun. So, nasa printings ka, you have your own business. So, yeah. You can call that freelance as well. So, pero merong zero experience zero knowledge sa virtual assistant jobs. So, and then experienced VA but wants to study more comprehensive scope of the industry. Right? So, ibig sabihin, may experience na kayo as virtual assistant, but gusto niyo mag-refresh, gusto niyo rin mag-shift ng ibang career sa virtual assistant, like kunyari admin lang kayo, now you want to be a real estate virtual assistant naman, 'di ba?